Are you ready to finally get that book published? Now, if you give me 60 minutes, I'll show you how to turn your digital content into a high-value book and DVD. You've come to this page because you want to have your own high-value product to sell wherever you go. You're probably a speaker with engagements in front of live audience, or you may be a coach with clients that you need to impress in person. You might be a consultant looking for ways to leave something with your prospects other than business cards. And you've already figured out you need to have your own physical book. And the fact is that most of us know enough to actually sit down and write a book on what we know and what we're passionate about. The problem is most of us don't have the time to write. And if you're like most people, you may have thought about writing a book before and then you sat down in front of your computer, staring at a blank screen saying, "Do I really want to do this?" You probably gave up, never to approach it again. But now the market is changing, and it's now more important than ever that you prove you know what you're talking about. And there's still just no better way of doing that than having your own book. If only you knew how to do it fast, so that you wouldn't take away from the stuff you already have to do. Because if you knew that, not only would you have one book, you'd probably have multiple books available on your subject. And there'd be no doubt as to whether you were an expert in your niche. All you'd have to do is point to the books you have available and say, "My name, published author." That would say it all if you could only get going. Self-publishing done this way is fast and profitable. Now, there are several ways you can get your book done quickly, profitably, without taking away from the work you already have to do. Now, this can be done without a ghostwriter, without compromising your standards, and with an eye toward building your brand and your business. Think of what it would be like if you could take the work you're already doing and that you've already done and turn it into a book and that you can carry with you anywhere and everywhere. And what if it cost you less than the price of a cheap dinner? Would you be interested? Yes? Great. Introducing the Print-on-Demand Playbook. Turning digital content into high-value physical products. Here's exactly what you'll get in the course. The Print-on-Demand Video Training. What you'll discover in this video course is constructing audio content, recording audio content, editing audio content, processing audio content, creating digital video content, creating audiobooks, creating digital text content, turning your blog into a book, transcribing content, publishing your book on CreateSpace, creating your product on Kunaki, selling DVDs on CreateSpace. Now, there are some special bonuses for taking action. Here's fast action bonus number 1. You'll get a point-by-point checklist of exactly what to do in the course. You can use this checklist as a quick reference as to what you need to do to succeed turning your content into books and products. Fast action bonus number 2. You'll get a resource cheat sheet. You'll get access to the ultimate guide of converting your content into books and products, tools, vendors, and services. So is it a deal? How can I start creating products right now, you're saying? You can grab the Print-on-Demand Playbook with all of our bonuses for just what you see on this page. When you consider all the ways you can turn this into profit, this is a fantastic deal. Now, I know you'll love the Print-on-Demand Playbook and you'll get use for it month after month. And to think, you're getting all of it for just a small price. Please click the Add to Cart button now to get this valuable guide today. Get instant access now. All you have to do is say, "Yes, I want instant access to the Print-on-Demand Playbook," which include the following: the main video course, fast action bonus number 1, your checklist, and fast action bonus number 2, the resource cheat sheet. Get started today. You'll discover all the steps, tools, and resources to help you finally succeed and get results. Click the Add to Cart button and get your copy today. Hit the Add to Cart button now.